So guys, I have a new project. I have a new bed. I said I wanted a new bed, and Jonathan really knows that I love items that I can, fix up and make it my own. He was actually gifted this bed from one of his relatives, his cousins. They wanted to downsize and we wanted to upgrade because the two of us in a queen size bed does not work. So we got a king size canopy bed, which I'm super excited about because when I was growing up, I had a canopy. My grandma Alice gave me a canopy bed from her house, and I just felt like a princess. So right now, because we had it in the room, this is the bed. This is just the headboard, okay? So what I'm about to do is drag this thing out into the living room and then take it into the balcony. So yeah. we're leaving the Home Depot. The Home Department. We had to get more spray paint because I used up all the paint.
You got a spray paint on deck.
On deck.
Yes, sir.
So I was trying to see if I was just gonna go ahead and just do the edges of the bed and then the baseboards and everything like that, and then add the mirrors to the middle of the bed, instead of just spray painting the whole thing. Because at first I didn't like the spray paint, but once I saw it dry, I liked how it looked. So I guess I'll be figuring that out by tomorrow. So we'll see.